Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to explain how we can use Tkinter library to create GUI application. Okay, this library is very extensive. There are many things about designing GUI application, different methods, different widgets. If you want to read more about this library, go to this link and you will find a good documentation related to this library. Okay. So each library may provide you with certain functionalities and features, and it may have its own way of working. So whenever we use any library, we have to understand how that library works. Okay. So when we use Tkinter to create GUI application, we have to follow some steps. Okay. So for example, whenever we are creating a GUI application, first we have to import the library. Okay. After importing the library, now we are going to create a GUI application. That means we will create a main screen, and on the main screen we will put different kind of objects and then make that main screen always visible. So to create that main screen, we use this function TK function. Okay, so that will create our main window. On that main window we can put different type of widgets. Some of the commonly used widgets are entry boxes, labels, buttons. So we will put that on that window. Now we want to make that window visible for an infinite time, so we will use this main loop method. Okay, so this TK function and main loop method, they are we use it quite often to create a window object and to keep that window object running for infinite time. In between we can add different type of widgets. Okay, so I will run this and see if that works or not. Okay, so it will pop up a window. So this is the window. After running this, we will see this window. Now for this window we don't have anything, just it shows TK. Now we can use different properties, okay, of windows, and let me run this. So if I say main dot title, I can give some title here. I can call it TKinter demo. Now I will run this again. Now after running this, now I can see the title has changed. So this title is one of the property of this object that we have created, like the main screen. Like this, there are many properties and methods you can use. Okay, at the end we will use this to keep this GUI visible. Okay, so now in this GUI application we don't have any widgets. Okay, no button, nothing. So let's add one. So I'm going to add here, I'm going to add label 1, and I will call it TKinter dot label, and I will call it text. Okay, so I created this label. Now this label is created, but this will not show up on the screen because I have not mentioned the layout. So to stick this label to this main screen, we need to use layout. There are different methods for layouting. One is back. Okay, so let me fix this. So I will say label dot back. When you use back, this method will stick this or put this label on the window. Okay, so let me run this again. Okay, so after running we will see this. So there is a one label in which I am displaying this text and it's visible. If you remove pag, it will be there but it will not show up on this main screen. And this main screen is flexible so you can stretch it. Okay, and let me close this. I will add some few more things here. Okay, for example, I can add a background color here. It's called BG and I will call it, let's say, pink. And I can also give let's say height. Okay, so let me run this again. So now after running it look like this. Okay, so now I have a background color. Now you can change the height, you can add width. There are many other properties. I am just showing few which are very basic one, but there are many. There is a one design component to these GUI application, how you want to design it, what color, font, background. Okay, so there are many combinations you can use. So this is a just small example how you can create GUI applications. Okay, so I will stop here for this video. Thank you for watching.